Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel efficient, and safe. A winning combination, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, FWD, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, CD player. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.